Hello everyone. As you can see, a brain stroke and a prolonged breathing tube have left me unable to speak. That's why I'm using AI to share my story with you. If you'd like to support my recovery, please consider liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and supporting me via the PayPal link or QR code on screen. Thank you for your support, and now, back to the video.
Welcome everyone. Today, I want to talk about a remarkable transformation happening in India, a story of vision, growth, and opportunity. Forget what you think you know about airport hotels. These aren't just bland stopovers for tired travelers. They are becoming the heart of a new economic frontier. Think about it, India's aviation sector is booming. We are now the third largest market in the world, with 412 million passengers passing through our airports in the last year alone. Every new route, every expanded terminal, is a new vein in a vibrant network, and at the center of that network, a new opportunity is emerging. The rise of the airport ecosystem. What's driving this change? It's a tale of two realities. First, urban life. In bustling cities like Delhi and Mumbai, traffic can steal hours from your day. For business travelers, an airport hotel is a strategic command center, a place to reclaim time and get to work. But there's a second, more exciting shift. These hotels are no longer just for transit. They are becoming dynamic hubs for meetings, events, and corporate gatherings. Look at Delhi Aerocity or the precincts around Mumbai Airport. They are evolving into full-fledged commercial ecosystems, vibrant places where business gets done and connections are made. We've seen this blueprint work on a global scale. Think of Singapore's Changi or Dubai International, where airports are not just gateways but destinations in themselves. India is now following suit, and the momentum is incredible. An unprecedented opportunity. For investors, this isn't just a trend, it's a solid, reliable opportunity. Passenger traffic is growing at a steady pace, creating a constant stream of demand. Airport hotels serve a dual purpose, catering to both transit travelers and the booming commercial sector. This makes them incredibly resilient, a safe bet in a dynamic market. And the big money is taking notice. Family offices, developers, and major institutions are now putting airport properties at the very core of their portfolios. This is the future, and it's being built right now. It's a future where airport hotels are fully integrated into mixed-use communities, where institutional capital flows through powerful investment vehicles, and where tailored offerings meet every need, from the budget-conscious traveler to the high-end corporate client. A new chapter for Indian hospitality. At Noesis Capital Advisors, we've had the privilege of being a part of this story. We are not just making deals, we are helping to shape an entire landscape. We've seen firsthand the conviction that investors now have in this space. Consider some of the milestones. IHCL's acquisition of a hotel at Kolkata Airport, bringing the trusted Ginger brand to a new audience. Royal Orchard Hotels securing long-term rights for a new upscale hotel at Mumbai International Airport, launching the Iconica brand. Major investments in cities like Amritsar and Vizag, showing that this opportunity extends far beyond the metros. Every single one of these transactions is a testament to the fact that airport hotels are no longer a footnote, they are a central pillar of India's hospitality and investment future. Our vision at Noesis is to connect global capital with local opportunities and to firmly establish airport hospitality as one of the most dynamic and investable asset classes in the country. This isn't just about building hotels, it's about building the future of India. If you like the video, please make sure you subscribe to us so you never miss other mind-blowing hot news from us. Do hype this video. Like and comment your thoughts. See you in next video. Thank you.